Hey guys, how you going? Thanks for joining me in today's range test. So here's the Revolver. We've got 3 different types of darts. We've got the stock foam darts that come with the blaster, these ones here. Then we've got some standard Nerf darts, and then we've got some hard tip China darts that aren't made by Nerf, but look very similar, but have a hard, solid tip. So we're going to be trying all those, and we'll also be shooting the gel balls, trying to hit the shed. Alrighty guys, so here's our tape measure that runs all the way to the shed. Just starts there, as you can see, and runs all the way to the shed. That's 60 feet. So we'll be shooting these stock foam darts first. Just loads into the barrel like so. Alright, now we'll fire off 3 Nerf darts. Seems to have gotten about a foot further. And last Nerf dart. Alrighty, now for the hard tip China darts. Alright, let's go check out the results. Now, as you can see, it's a very sunny day here in Australia. The grass is quite dry. We definitely could use some rain. So our lowest 2 darts landed here at 23 feet. That's not bad, 7 meters. That was one of the Chinese hard tip darts, then a stock foam dart. Then the next one a little bit further up at 24 feet, which is 7.3 meters. The next grouping landed up here. We've got a hard tip, a Nerf, and a stock foam dart up at 26 feet. It's around 8 meters. Then we've got 3 last darts. These are 2 Nerf darts and a hard tip dart. There's the Nerf and there's the other Nerf at 28 feet, 8.5 meters. So there we go, that's the results for the foam darts. So not too bad. So the gel balls are up next, and they should get a lot further. Hopefully we can hit the shed, or at least get close to it. That's 60 feet away, which is your ballpark for a gel ball shooter. So we'll see how we go. Alrighty guys, so I've got the gel balls loaded up. This takes the 9 to 11 millimeter rounds. There's roughly 25-30 rounds in the hopper. So we'll get straight into it. Oh, there we go, we got our first hit on the shed. Another one. Okay, so I've shot about half of the ammo in the scope here. A fair few are hitting the shed, and the others are falling a bit short. Not bad considering the size of the gel ball blaster. Primings are not bad at all. Some of you might think that it's a bit awkward to load it like that, but it's not actually too bad. I quite like that it's loaded that way. Makes it like a unique pistol. So there you go guys, that completes today's range test. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.